If you're in the market for a new solar charger to take with you camping, backpacking, or to keep on hand in case of an emergency, the sunjack 15W solar panel and power bank combo is a great option to consider. Having the ability to keep your electronic devices charged and ready to go is crucial to enjoying the outdoors, and this solar charger is one of the lightest options that actually charges devices in a reasonable amount of time. In addition to power banks, you can also use it to charge almost all USB-powered devices, including your phone, flashlight, headlamps, lanterns, cameras, and more. And all you need is a few hours of sun to keep a charge on your most important devices. Before we dive in, I want to thank Sunjack for sending out their solar charger and power bank to the channel for review. The panel was designed and engineered in California, and if you want to learn more about Sunjack, you can find a link in the description below. And if you want something a little more powerful, they also make a 25W solar panel as well. The panel is 10.5 by 6.5 by 1.2 inches when folded, and weighs 20.35 ounces or 577 grams, which is very light for a panel this size. The panels have built-in magnets, which help prevent the panel from opening unintentionally during transport. Each corner of the panel has a grommet, which allows you to use the included carabiner to attach the panel to various objects while charging. The panel has an exterior layer of ETFE, which is very durable, weather-resistant, and long-lasting compared to other portable solar panels that I've seen, and it also provides maximum UV ray transmittance and high thermal stress resistance, which makes the panels more efficient. On the back, there's a small zippered compartment, which you can use to store a few essential items to help charge your devices. The compartment is made of mesh, which helps to provide plenty of airflow to keep devices cooler when charging. There's an elastic strap which you can use to secure your devices, and in addition to the power bank, this kit comes with a carabiner, which you can use to hang the panel, and also a fast-charging USB cable to charge the power bank. There are two USB outputs on the panel to charge your devices, which produce 2 amps per port or 4 amps total. Just keep in mind that the junction box is not waterproof. When the panel is exposed to sunlight, a red light will come on to indicate that it's ready to charge. There's also a built-in smart IC chip which identifies your device and maximizes charging speed and protects them from overcharging. The power bank is roughly 5.5 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and just over a half inch thick, and weighs 7.21 ounces, or 204.5 grams. It has a 10,000 mAh capacity, and there's a micro USB input, a USB-C input-output, which features the latest Quick Charge QC 3.0 technology, and a USB input. The USB-C output can charge devices at up to 18 watts, which is incredibly fast and up to 80% quicker than standard chargers. When you're ready to start charging, find a spot to set it up where it will get as many hours of direct sunlight as possible. And then you just need to plug in a USB cable to the USB output on the back of the panel, connect the device you want to charge, and then you're good to go. To find out just how good of a charger the sunjack 15W panel is, I wanted to test how it would handle charging my Samsung Galaxy S20 FE smartphone, which has a 4500 mAh battery. I started the test at 10:17 a.m. in the morning with a 5% battery life, or roughly 220 mAh, and left it outside for a few hours and checked in periodically to see how it charged. I plotted the data on a chart to keep track of the charging time and the percentage of the device that was charged, and the panel was able to bring my phone from 5% battery life to 83% for a gain of approximately 3,432 mAh in just over 5 hours. The charger was able to give my phone's battery roughly 595 mAh of battery life per hour of charging, and the prime charging hours for my test were between 10:30 a.m. and 2 p.m., which was the time when the sun was directly overhead. I had to reposition the panel a few times to avoid the shade that kept creeping towards the panel from my palm trees, and by the late afternoon, charging speeds began to slow down, but overall, I was pleasantly surprised by how quick and effective the solar panel was, and how much charge my phone actually received in a relatively short amount of time. The sunjack 15W is a great solar panel for people who want a portable charging option that's lightweight enough to carry, that also performs well enough at charging small electronic devices to justify including it in your setup. The 10,000 mAh power bank is a great tool to store extra power from the panel to keep your devices topped up, and together they'll make an excellent addition to your next outdoor excursion or your emergency preparedness setup.